So hello guys. So welcome back to my channel once again. I know that I have not been in the market for the last no not that I have not been in the market. I have not been uploading my videos and I have not been doing content on what I am doing in the market. But I am in the market. I have been in the market for the whole week. Um And as you can see, today is it's on Friday here. I also want to say again that I I have just settled down and I will be going through gold and the Nasdaq. But in this case, I'll be going through the the Nasdaq as an index, as you can see there from capital.com. That's the US 100. The reason I'm doing this is because there's the future version of that is let me show you that. This one, the E-mini Nasdaq 100 future, very good markets, very good PDRAs if you know what you're doing. I came across this market at around last year February, but I just happened to fall in sync with gold first, then this one next. But it's because of I think we grow slowly, and that's why I say that we should not rush this this here whatever we are going through, because if we rush we will not get the chance to understand deeper what the markets are. Um so once again, you're listening to your guy Lucid Plug, and I'm just happy to just be here showing you this what I'm doing. Again, I am not a financial advisor and I do not give signals. I do not mentor people. I am just recording this for my brother and for the purposes of me documenting my journey, my trading journey. Okay. So if you are listening to this, so be aware that all the risks are observed, and be aware that the financial markets require logic, not emotions. If you bring emotions here, you are dead. You are fucked off, bro. So this, you can see it's all the same. I don't know. I've done the same thing, quite the same thing. Just that some other that you can see here, you can see on the other. I don't know if you get that. So I quickly we we can put this buying a buy side liquidity here. See that this bearish order block, very perfect. Why? I don't know. But this here graded it to the zero point 0.5 level here. You can see what the market did there. And it is as to why I said I wanted to go through like the index version of it, because most people don't have the access to uh trading features account, and you can just use this analogy of trading the index version of it, like the E-mini Nasdaq. The index version of it is the US 100. You can get it from capital.com, but I know brokers out there give out these services, and you can trade it from your broker. Okay. um Also from prop firms, I think so. Yeah, I really have an old um notepad that's in life, bro. Uh, so I quickly wanted to just point out something here, and it's this here, okay? This one here. It's a volume imbalance. You can see that. You see what that is? See what is happening here? Mm, good, very beautiful. I also thought that felt like we need that thing here, slightly, slightly, slightly touching that, but it don't even make it to that. It don't it don't give you a chance to enter. So what we are looking here is the daily chart, and you can see that I have graded this. How do my Fibonacci retracement, the values, you can see them, the 0, 1, 0.25, 0.5, and 0.75. This here, haha, the OTE, optimum trade entry. Yep, there's point 0.7. Just don't mind about the others here. This is my last. Here, this one here. Um, so you can see that I won the markets touch here on Thursday. See, today we just came to the volume imbalance here once again. Here, excuse me. Um, you see the point 0.5 level here, 25,192.3 is price level there. Um, slightly just a tick above it, and we start delivering lower. Hmm. I want you to see this here. See that one there? That is beautiful. Okay, this one here comes to the top of that volume imbalance and just wants to drop lower. So this here, victims, this here, victims, this here, and this here. I was also targeting this here, and I think you see how these candlesticks are closing just right there. Yeah. So I am also aware that this this candlestick here, because the market will want to use this one here when it's delivering lower. Want to create this one here. So we will want to see how the market will use this one here. Okay. Because we are about to open. It's 5:41 a.m. in New York time, and I want us to deliver to this here, if we can, to this here. But we are gonna see because we have NFP guys, so be aware of that too. We have so many high impact news events today. Be aware of that too. I will go through gold in my next video, so you might want to see that. Um, so I'm waiting to see how the market will behave, but I am having a very high probability that it will come to here because I already took a trade here and I sold it today, and I'm waiting to see how the market is going to react to my levels. Okay, but my target here and here. Okay, I repeat that. Um, Lastly, these also might be our target, but we will want to see how the market will use this imbalance here and this one here. If the market don't come up back here, we're going down. Okay, we're definitely going down. So thank you for listening to me. Um, let's meet in the evening. I'm going to upload another video about what happened. Okay.